Recently, College Doors is also added a new feature for teachers by which we can create our own paper. To design a good paper, we need a good questions, and College Doors is providing us an ample amount of good questions by which we can pick a good question from their question bank and put into our paper.
Now, apart from various features of College Doors, my personal favorite is Tips feature, which basically means teacher's interface for paper setting. Earlier it used to be difficult for us to set paper, but with Tips it became a lot easier. Like we can select the examination for which we want to set our paper. Let's say for example CET, JEE or NEET. We can select the chapters, we can select its difficulty level, and our paper is ready.
Called as Tips over there, where we can make our own paper. The advantage of using this section is basically the question bank is very vast. You get all sort of questions, and there are bifurcations like very easy, difficult, intermediate questions. So you can make a well balanced paper over there. You can make NEET papers, you can make JEE papers, and the process of making papers becomes really fast. You can schedule the paper, you can choose the number of students you want to set the paper for, you can get a PDF out of it also for offline also. So this feature which has been now added to College Doors makes the segment of making of papers really very easier for us.
Tips for the teachers: when a teacher can select his own test paper, or he can select own set of questions which he wants the students to solve it, or he can make his own test online papers, okay, which is a fantastic platform, because you have to accept the fact that the College Doors have a fantastic collection of questions which is there in their system. And if a teacher, as per the level of the difficulty, if he wants to set the paper, he can use that option of Tips which is there, okay. So I think I would personally recommend everybody.
With Tips, what I have seen is the questions are genuine, the questions are good, they are from good resources, good materials. Past year के काफी अच्छे सारे questions का bundle है, काफी अच्छे pool है. Really helps me कि तुम directly जाओ, तुम्हारा question set करने के लिए बोल दो कि चलो यार मेरे पास 5 topic का test रखना है मेरे को. So you get started with those 5 topics, you select 5 topics, and उसमें वो sub topics भी देता है अगर आपको कोई specific sub topic पे ज़्यादा questions पूछने हैं तो. Depending on the level of difficulty, then there is an option of how you want to set the paper in terms of what examination. अगर आप JEE का numerical section करना चाहते हो तो वो भी questions है. अगर तुमको CET level के questions करने हैं तो वो भी questions है. Comprehension type passages, सारे questions available है according to your selection. It will give you access to all those things. Definitely a time saver. हमारा DTP अभी currently खुद जो करता था काम, वो आजकल मैं खुद बैठ के effectively खुद single handedly कर पाता हूँ. It does not even take me more than 20 minutes to set a paper which is of JEE mains level.
But with College Doors Tips feature, that is teacher interface for paper setting, it has helped me a lot to set the paper quickly. In about 15 minutes I can set a paper, and it has all the levels of questions right from JEE Advanced to JEE Mains to NEET and up to CET also. So overall it is a very good feature which College Doors has introduced, and I'm quite happy with it. I'm quite satisfied.